Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure you see all of our cool, unique vehicles as soon as they arrive on our dealership lot, just like this one here today. If you want to see a full description of this vehicle and over 50 pictures on our website, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2020 Jeep Wrangler 4-door. Sahara is the trim level on this, and we sent it down to Rocky Ridge and had some amazing stuff done to this thing, guys. We're going to start off in the front, do a walk around. We'll show you everything we've done to it, and then we'll get inside and show you what we've done also inside. Starting on the front, you're going to notice we do have an upgraded front bumper. This is a solid steel front bumper, guys, which is really nice when doing that off-road, and it definitely looks awesome. You're going to have your fog lights located on the side of the bumper, and then you're also going to have a 30-inch light bar located right there in the center, right under your headlights. And speaking of them headlights are the upgraded LED headlights from the factory. So we do have the upgraded lights on it all the way around the exterior of this vehicle. But most importantly, you're going to notice, if you haven't already, this is a custom paint job on this, guys. We are one of the only Rocky Ridge dealers in the country that is stocking these custom fade Jeep Wrangler paint jobs. These things are absolutely gorgeous and definitely extremely hard to find. We actually have two on the lot right now, and they won't last long, so please get on the phone, give us a phone call. If you have any questions, we would love to answer them for you. On the rim setup on this, we have a custom Rocky Ridge 20-inch rim. It's wrapped in a Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tire. That's a 35-inch tire. And with that Mickey Thompson Baja Boss, it's a really aggressive tire, but at the same time, it's not real noisy while driving down the road. So it's the best of both worlds when it comes to that tire, and it definitely looks absolutely amazing. And as you can see, that it is a black vehicle, which is the top. It was a standard black vehicle from the factory, and we faded it down to a really dark blue color, which absolutely looks gorgeous. Onto the back of the vehicle, we do have the upgraded steel rear bumper, as you can see here, that runs right under the tire cover and all the way over to the other side of the Jeep. And then under that bumper, you're going to have your trailer tow group, which you have your hitch down there, and your 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup right there beside it. You also have your spare tire, which is your 5th wheel and tire, and it matches all the four rims and tires that are on the ground. And the fade paint job, guys, it runs all the way around, so behind that spare tire cover and everywhere. So we did not miss a beat when it comes to this fade. It absolutely looks gorgeous. Has a Flowmaster exhaust tip located on it right there, and the upgraded step-up bars for their steel step-up bars. So if you are off-roading, something does flip up, it will not dent your Jeep. Just an absolutely gorgeous vehicle. And another thing, guys, this is a 3-piece hardtop. So with it being a 3-piece hardtop from the factory, we actually had it painted to match the exterior color. So it is not a off black color as far as the top goes. It actually does match the exterior paint job. On the inside of this Jeep, it does have power side mirrors, power locks, automatic overhead LED headlights, leather seating throughout, nice Sahara stitching on the seating right there. And climbing into this vehicle, starting on the steering wheel, we do have a bunch of different options that are on this vehicle, but starting over here on the left-hand side, these 4 buttons right here are going to operate your instrument cluster, which is located right here in the center of the dash, in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge over here on the right. There's a bunch of stuff that you can leave it on or check while driving down the road. You can check your trip information. You can also check what radio station you're on. You can change radio stations right there. Miles per hour, tire pressure, off-road settings, fuel economy, and a bunch more options also in there. And then these 2 buttons over here, just to the right of your information buttons, is for your hands-free capability. So you can program your phone directly into this Jeep. You no longer have to reach for your cell phone while driving down the road. You simply just hit the green button when you want to answer it, and you have your conversation directly through the speaker system. Over here on the right, you do have all your cruise control settings. And then right on the back side of the steering wheel on the right hand side, you can increase and decrease the volume on the radio. And then on the left hand side on the back, you can change your radio stations. On the radio, we have a very nice large touchscreen radio, guys. This has AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, which you do have a free subscription with this when purchasing it brand new. You have media capability where you can download media directly into this radio. And then you have a dual climate control setting located right here. Right now we have both settings set on high. We could change the passenger to 79 if they were getting a little warm, and it'll blow out a little cooler on the passenger side compared to the driver's side. There again, if you want to sync it to make sure that the whole cab is on the same temperature, you simply hit the sync button and it's going to take you to the driver's side temperature over on the passenger side. It also has an auto feature, so you can set it and forget it. Basically set it on a certain temperature and it'll get to that temperature and it'll maintain it throughout the cab while you're driving down the road. Bunch of standard apps that are built in here that you can go through. One app that, it's not an app, but when you put it in reverse, I'll just push the button here for example, like I showed you, it does have the factory backup camera. This vehicle comes with heated seats in the two front seats, so they have 3 settings. They have a high, medium, and low when it comes to the front heated seats, and then you also have your heated steering wheel located right there. And then last but not least, you have your phone setting. You can pair your phone so you could have answer your phone while driving down the road, which I just showed you. And right under that, these 2 outside buttons here are going to operate your radio. This one will do your volume, and this one will change your channel. And then right here in the center, you do have a second option when it comes to your climate control, so you can operate everything right here, whether it's increasing your temperature, increasing the speed of the airflow coming out of the vents, and you can also turn on your heated seats, as you can see here, and your heated steering wheel. Right under that, we do have a 12-volt DC plug. Your power window buttons are located right here for all 4 windows, and a bunch of media plugins right there. Under that, we do have over here on this side, we have 4 auxiliary switches right here. One of these auxiliary switches is set for that 30-inch light bar that's on the front bumper. It has 3 open auxiliary switches, so you can either add more lights, add accessories, whatever it may be, and you can program it directly into these auxiliary buttons, so you're not drilling and adding buttons inside of your vehicle. Cup holders located in the center, leather-wrapped armrest located right here. And it does have storage in there also, as you can see, along with a large storage compartment right underneath that. Right here above the driver's seat, you're going to have your option to program your garage door openers directly into this vehicle. You have up to 3 garage door openers you can program into here. You no longer have to carry around them garage door openers in your vehicle. And like I said, guys, this is a 3-piece hardtop, so you have a couple different options when taking off this hardtop. So you have open air, whatever you may want to call it. So the driver's side right here up front comes off, and so does this passenger side. That's why it's a 3-piece hardtop. So then the 3rd piece would be your whole back. So you can just take out these front 2 pieces if you'd like, and that can be all the airflow you need if you don't want to take off the whole big top. Which is a great feature. Each one of them weigh about 20 pounds a piece, so one person can definitely take them off very quickly and very easily just by flipping all these tabs located around the hardtop, and you simply just pop them right off. Now the back can be taken off, it just becomes a little bit more tricky, and it's really hard to do with one person. So basically everything from here all the way back to the vehicle is your 3rd piece. So that can be taken off and you can have complete airflow, almost like a convertible right there, which is a really, really nice feature, especially in the summertime. And like I said, guys, this is an awesome Jeep, one of a kind, full body fade paint, Jeep Wrangler, 4-door Sahara. We sent it down to Rocky Ridge, had a 3.5-inch lift on it, put 20-inch custom rims on it, wrapped it in a really nice Thompson Baja Boss tire. That's a 35-inch tire. Put extremely heavy duty side steps on it, extremely heavy duty front and rear bumpers on it, and much, much more, guys. LED lighting, touchscreen radio, heated seats, leather seats, and just much, much more. Another really cool feature that I did not mention is we did upgrade this vehicle to have the Alpine stereo system in it. So by having that Alpine stereo system in it, you do get the rear sub right here in the back, which is an extremely nice feature. And as you can see, it does have an extra set of floor mats right here. We do have the factory ones in it right now, but Rocky Ridge also supplies us with an extra set back here for you, the customer. And then this bag up here is for your two pieces, or your two front pieces of your hardtop safety bag, so they don't get scratched. The paint job doesn't get scratched on them. Just an overall really nice vehicle. And I did not show you the back seat, but it is obviously leather seating just like the front, as you can see there. It does have some plugs down there in between the front driver and passenger seat. It has an AC plug, USB plug, and then obviously your power windows is located right above that. And like I said, you do have the factory floor mats in these right now, which are rubber ones, which are really nice to have too. So it's just got many options. Guys, if you want to see a full description of everything that's in this vehicle and everything we've done aftermarket to this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And guys, for a guaranteed best price on any Rocky Ridge Jeep nationwide, we are one of the largest Rocky Ridge Jeep dealers in the country, and we ship nationwide. So if you're in Texas, California, wherever it may be, we can literally put this vehicle in your driveway, no questions asked. For the guaranteed best price, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. And if you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot.